Ferrari 308 GT4 misfire, found to be cylinder number 4. As you can see, cylinder number 4 exhaust is really cold, where the other 3 are red hot. Very simple way of curing a misfire and finding a misfire with a thermal image.